Today we are dealing with modeling addition and subtraction equations with algebra tiles. This is a positive x, this is a negative x, and when I have both of those they create a zero pair. This is a positive one and a negative one, and when I combine those they create a zero pair as well. Let's get started. I have positive 3, and that's going to equal positive x minus 4. So to undo the minus 4, I need to create a 0 with my x. In order to do that, I'm going to add 4 positives to my 4 negatives. That creates 4 zero pairs. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other to keep it equal in our equation. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I just added 4 positives to both sides. I need to remove any zero pairs that I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zero pairs on the right side. So I'm left with just x, and that's going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 yellows, which is positive 7. Let's look at the next one. I have 11, so I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 equals x plus 2. I need to get x all by itself, so I'm going to add 2 negatives to both sides. I have 2 negatives here. Those will cancel out and create a zero pair. So I added, and are there any zero pairs on the left-hand side? There are 2 zero pairs, so I'll remove those. So I'm left with 1x equaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yellows, or positive 9. Let's relate that to what we're doing mathematically. So I started with x plus 2 equals 11. Then I added negative 2 to both sides, and that created 2 zero pairs, leaving me with just x by itself equaling 9 positives, or 9 yellows. Let's try another one. So I have 3 plus x, so that 3 is a positive 3 since there's not a minus in front of it. 3 plus x being greater than or equal to negative 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to get x by itself. In order to do that, I need to add 3 negatives to make 3 zero pairs. So I added negative 3 to the left side. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to add 3 more negatives on this side. So that leaves me with, I have 0 pairs. I'm going to remove 1 zero pair, 2 zero pairs, 3 zero pairs. So I'm left with just x being greater than or equal to, and I have 4, 5, 9, 10, 16 reds, which is negative 16. Last problem. I have x minus 5 is less than negative 3. I need to get x by itself. In order to do that, I'm going to add 5 positives to both sides. I add 5 positives because I need to create 5 zero pairs to get x by itself. Plus 5 plus 5. Now I'm going to get rid of any 0 pairs on both sides of my inequality. So there's 1 0 pair, 2 0 pairs, 3 0 pairs, 4, and 5 0 pairs. That leaves me with x all by itself is less than, let's remove our 0 pairs on the right hand side, 1 0 pair, 2 0 pairs, 3 0 pairs, and I'm left with positive 2. So x is less than positive 2.